Alright, listen up. Calisthenics is hands down one of the most powerful ways to build real strength and control, using nothing but your own body weight. Sounds simple, right? But here's the kicker. Most advice out there makes it sound like you need a PhD in exercise science just to get started. Well, I'm here to cut through the noise. Give me just 9 minutes, and I'll walk you through the 5 training principles that actually build strength, no fluff, no wasted time. The common struggle, we've all been there. You start training, but it quickly turns into chaos. You waste precious minutes setting up. You do easy reps that don't challenge you. You develop weird imbalances that sneakily lead to pain. Miss a week, boom, all progress evaporates. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be that way? When you nail these 5 principles, training becomes simple. You have a ready-to-go space. You work in the perfect difficulty zone. Your form is sharp. Your body stays balanced. And most importantly, you keep showing up. That's when calisthenics stops being a headache and starts working like magic. Principle 1. Remove friction. Make training easy to start. Skipped workouts? They're not about motivation. They're about friction. How many times have you planned to train, only to spend 10 minutes moving furniture or hunting for equipment? By the time you're ready, the moment's gone. Here's the fix. Pick one default spot that's always free. Keep one open floor space clear, no excuses. Next time, don't say, I should work out. Say, I'll do my push-ups by the couch. If you're spending more than 2 minutes setting up, your setup isn't ready. Every barrier is an excuse. Remove the friction. Remove the excuses. Principle 2. Train in the right difficulty zone. If the exercise feels too easy, your body stops adapting. It's basically flipping you off and saying, been there, done that. Most people find a variation they can do and stick with it forever, doing 20, then 25, then 30 reps, and wonder why progress stalls. Here's the golden rule, the 8-rep rule. If you can do more than 8 clean reps, it's time to level up. If you fail before 6, it's too hard. Dial it back. For example, if knee push-ups are a breeze at 12 reps, move to regular push-ups. Can't do 4 regular push-ups? Try incline push-ups on stairs until you hit 8 to 10 reps. Don't be a masochist doing endless easy reps. Challenge your body in the 6 to 10 rep range. That's where growth happens. Principle 3. Quality over quantity. Sloppy reps? They teach your body bad habits. And your body is a master student when it comes to learning the wrong stuff. We've all seen it. Someone claims 20 push-ups but barely moves 3 with sagging hips. That's not strength, that's weakness disguised as volume. Focus on one key quality per exercise. For push-ups, squeeze your chest at the top. For pull-ups, drive your elbows down. Record yourself weekly. Your phone is more than a doom-scrolling device. Use it to check your form. Instead of rushing 15 half reps, do 6 perfect push-ups where your chest touches the floor. Those 6 perfect reps build more strength than 15 sloppy ones. Remember, quality beats quantity every time. Principle 4. Balance your body. Your body is only as strong as its weakest link. Most people have weak spots they love to ignore. They do push-ups every day because they like them, but avoid pull-ups like the plague. 6 months later, they can crank out 30 push-ups but can barely hang from a bar. That's not strength, that's imbalance. And imbalance leads to injuries and plateaus. Cover all 4 categories every week. Push, pull, legs, and core. Quick check. You should be able to do at least 1 pull-up for every 3 push-ups. If you can do 15 push-ups but not 5 pull-ups, fix that weak link first. Build all the links and your whole body gets stronger together. Principle 5. Consistency beats intensity. Muscles grow when the habit sticks, not when you destroy yourself once a week. Don't call your cute session destroy. Someone who goes beast mode for 2 hours on Sunday and then does nothing all week thinks that one brutal session will carry them through. It won't. Your body adapts to regular stress, not occasional punishment. Train at least twice a week. 3 to 4 sessions is even better. Track your sessions on paper or an app. Instead of one 90-minute weekend warrior session, Do 3 20 to 30-minute sessions spread through the week. If you skip more than 2 workouts in a row, treat it like starting over. Build the streak before you build the muscle. Don't punish yourself with a marathon workout because you missed Tuesday. Just show up tomorrow. Bonus: why your hormones matter. Here's something that might surprise you. More than 1 in 4 guys have low testosterone. That means even if you're doing everything right, your body might not respond the way it should. Recovery, energy, muscle growth all depend on what's happening inside. That's why I want to mention our sponsor today, Maximus, and their at-home testosterone test. You get a kit delivered to your door, collect your sample in minutes, and send it back with free shipping. Results come back in days, no clinic visits, no needles, no hassle. It measures 9 key biomarkers, including luteinizing hormone, vitamin D, estradiol, and more. If your numbers are off, they don't just leave you hanging, they help you figure out the next steps. Check it out at maximusdrive.com/labtests. Because there's no point grinding through workouts if your body isn't ready to respond. So, today you learned the 5 principles that actually drive calisthenics progress. Set up for success. Progress systematically. Maintain quality. Stay balanced. Build consistency. These are your foundation. Want to go deeper? Handstands, muscle-ups, human flags, these principles will carry you there. Now get out there and start applying them. Your future strong self will thank you.